So you want to play VR games on the Oculus Quest 3. Let me walk you through the setup step by step. First, make sure you've installed the official Oculus PC app on your computer. This is required to connect your Quest 3 to SteamVR. Next, download and install Steam and SteamVR. You'll find SteamVR in the Steam store for free. Now, connect your Quest 3. You've got two options. Use a USB-C cable for a wired connection with the Oculus Link, or go wireless with AirLink. For the cable method, just plug in your Quest 3, put on the headset, and accept the Oculus Link prompt. For AirLink, go to Settings and then Experimental Features in your Quest 3, enable AirLink and pair it with your PC. Once connected, launch SteamVR from your desktop. Your Quest 3 should automatically switch into SteamVR mode, letting you access and play all your PC VR titles. And that's it. Whether wired or wireless, your Oculus Quest 3 is now fully connected to SteamVR. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.